Today we're going to present about our my project. Our company is a supply chain challenge. In a table of content, we will to talk about one introduction to supply chain management. How did you achieve goal? 4. What is your next staging plan for the future? Topic is a introduction. Our company is name is a 1203253 HuangandChinnie Limited and located in Sweden. Was the first company to produce a wide variety of clothes and shoes and umbrellas. The first location has office a weaving mill, clothing factory, warehouse, and store, and will have established a second branch in museum in River City. And our company should to produce and sell clothes because the company factory has machines that can be used to produce clothes without having to buy new one, reducing production cost when it is profitable. The money will be used to build a new factory that needs to produce other products in the existing the company product and try selling clothes in the company store. For how much they cross sell should include or decrease the production capacity to meet customer needs. And our company has clear rules and responsibility for its team member. Ms. HuangandChinnie was a production planner for Boone, Sweden and Belgium factory and responsible for the transportation of the production, and Ms. Olaya has become a revenue analyst at Boone company and as expert in selecting manufacturing for the company, and we have made and designed our company to suit the time. The most important in the development of our company is our administrative component. And the next topic is supply chain management. In Sweden, our company import produce for sale and produce for them. We import result is wood to produce shirt for sale, and when finished we will put them in the warehouse and transfer the product to the shop and set the price for selling product to customer in the city. And in the Belgium, our company does not manufacture that our product but to import coating production from the first Sweden factory come to sell in this factory. When we place an order, the product is stored in the warehouse before being transported to the store and then sold to the customer at the average price of that market. And then the topic, how did you achieve goal? For week 1, super minute after our complete the initial task must be achieved at least 98% efficiency as our enterprise. The super minute will increase our qualification level by 2 for 10 days. And the ABC of the retail train is our company agent and 100,000 turnover during the upgrade for at least on store and apparent in commerce. And week 2, first profit stability of the company is as an important factor of success. Profit during 4 turn in row apparent in commerce is 500,000 visual account for our company and start our production and apparent in production 500,000 visual account for our company. And week 3 start wood farming and link in to we supply chain to make sure your wood supply in within and the milk is 100% from we wood farm and has him 1 milk liver new in total by selling in all your store already was your product. In week 1 we make the first goal is super minute. The company was unable to exceed successive goal because we start the game on 19 November but we forgot to make enterprise more than 98% efficiency thus making if possible for supermarket management to give bonus and all level future part 2.14 day. That's what the first mistake for our company and the second goal was ABC of the retail trend was our company aiming to exceed 100,000 turnover during the upgrade for at least one store and got 500,000 from retail development farm. We have the time period of 7 game week and the company has completed the second course as well done 20 November and in week 2 we have made a first goal in first profit. Stability of a company is an important factor of success. Make we stone profitable and make 10 profit for 4 weeks in a row. So we company was unable to achieve success goal was profit. Therefore, the company is unable to achieve its content goal profit because our company got to initial profit on 27 November. You can see that. And profit we can got around 400,000 and failing for the next 2 years is not positive profit in our store. But on the next day it was profitable got some is maybe because we have not carefully studied the strategy but we can to improve in the next week and the second goal we start production management was a very important skill. We should not forget about production efficiency while has large production volume try to reach a 75% production capacity and one of your factory and at same time keep efficiency rate at 75% or higher. You have a 7 week into complete this task. Week 3 we clean more company because we had two manufacturing shirts that could not be shoot in Sweden. So we shoot Belgium City with a selection to look at local supply and price and market volume. This supply price and market volume because there are very top a few company and the best place to sell shirt because the quality of shirt the quality is lower than the shirt we produce and we think we can sell and profit in Belgium Liberty City. We this show revenue and EPS and Sweden and Belgium. We can see Belgium can has a loss profit that Sweden. Yes, it show you asset value for the week 3. After week 3 it show achievement skill is we component is HuangandChinnie is the 125. So these we can to follow form 7 important elements of a strategic plan. 1. Vision statement. Vision statement describes the way to envision your business. It should communicate that dream to the employee and customer in as an inspirational member in order to have a quality workforce. To mission statement, why a vision describe how our view our business to our customer and stakeholder. Mission statement describe for our two currently and three core value describe our belief and behavior. There is belief you have that we enable our to achieve and for SWOT analysis is a fostering business operating and trade. And 5 long-term goal. Long-term goal are the milestone a company set to guide operation toward their far-reaching objective. Some examples of a long-term goal could be for business to strengthen in hold on the local market, increasing profit. 6. Yearly objective is a long-term goal should have a few one-year objective that advance your goal. Its objective should be as smart as possible. And the last, action plan. Action plan is objective should have a plan that details how it will be achieved. The amount of detail depends on the amount of flexible you want your management and team to have. And for the 7 important elements, strengthening this is to we can follow this plan to done its goal. And the last, what is your next strengthening plan for the future? In the future, if we ever more further our group order keeping on selling, buying low price and higher quality growth, and after that in view gradually save money and plan to build a new factory for other kind of clothing and shoes to reduce the cost of going to other people to present and has a higher quality that is strong counterpart in selling product includes opening new store with a suitable location for good profit. And we can to follow from 7 P's of marketing and the product. Product is a two beginning with development the habit of looking at your product as to you were on outside marketing constitution brought in to help your company decide whether or not is in the right business at this time. And the price the second in the formula is price developed to habit of continuous experiment and re-examining the price of product and service yourself to make sure that still apparent to the level of the current market. And the next, product promotion. Production is all the way you tell you to your customer about your product or service and how you then market and sell to them. And place is a market mix in the place where your product or service is actually should develop the habit of review and reflecting over the location where the customer meet the sales person. And the packaging, the fifth element in the marketing mix is the packaging development, the habit of standing back and looking at every which element in the packaging of the production or service through the eye of circle prospect. And the positioning. The next P is positioning. You should develop the habit of the thinking continually about how you are positioned in the hearts and mind of your customer, how to prepare this and talk about when you not present. And the last is the people. The final P of the marketing mix is people. Develop the habit of thinking in terms of the people inside and outside of your business who are responsible for every element of your sales, marketing, strategy, and activity. So we can to follow to 7 Ps of marketing. And thank you for your attention.